Welcome back to GoGlobalWays YouTube channel. I'm your host Sarabjot Singh. So we have learned about various animations, how to create animations, how to add the sounds, how to make your animations look more attractive, how to make your sprites move while moving their legs and their hands. So we have learned all these things in the previous sessions. So in today's video, I will make you learn about the broadcast block. What is the function of broadcast block? How can we use it? Let's quickly switch to the picture block screen. Yeah. So before starting the project, our first task is to select our sprite and select our backdrops. So I will quickly delete this Toby and I will choose two sprites. So in the like in the last session, we have created a project in which we were interacting with the sprite. Now, using the broadcast block, we can create projects in which two sprites will be interacting with each other. So we will be making a story today with a fox and a lion. We will use two sprites. One I have already uploaded, and the second one will be lion. So now, after uploading the sprites, now the next thing is to upload a backdrop. We can't create any story with this white backdrop. So let's choose one backdrop for it. I will be choosing this one. Now, before doing this, before starting the coding part, I want to change one thing in my design. So what I want is, I want my line to stand over here and it should face towards this fox. But right now, if I am taking this line over here, its face is on other side. I want it to face towards the fox. So what I will be doing now, I have selected the line, go to the costumes palette, and I will click on flip horizontal, and the face of line will be turned to the other part. I guess it's easy. You guys have understood it. Okay, great. Let's move on to the coding part now. So first of all, we will make the code for fox. Let's make the code for fox first. So what I want is, whenever the flag is clicked, I want it to be present over here at this position. So like we have learned this thing in the previous session also, like whenever we have to fix the position of our sprite, we have to fix the coordinates. So right here, the values of x and y are minus 146 and 24. So let's do it. Go to the events, take out the block when flag is clicked, and then go to the motion and add go to x and y. Go to x and y. Now, the next thing is, I want this fox to greet lion. So if I want to show any message on the screen, this message will be visible to us also. Like you guys can also see this message. So I will add over here this say hello for 2 seconds from the looks palette, and I will change the message over here. So I will write over here, hello king lion, what are you looking for? What are you looking for? Let me just zoom it so it will be easy for you guys to read it. Okay. We have done. When the flag is clicked, go to X and Y, say, hello king lion, what are you looking for? Now, our lion will give a reply to this message, or this question. So I will select the line. I will select the line, and I will do the code over here. When the flag is clicked, when the flag is clicked, then from motion, take the block, go to X and Y. This I want it to be at this position only. Go to X and Y. Then line will say, I am looking for water. I am looking for water. I am looking for water. Let's see if it is working fine or not. Let's click on the green flag. Okay. Now, let me just zoom the stage area so that you guys can easily see it. Now, see, they both are like speaking their dialogues at the same time. Okay, like before asking the question, like Fox has not even asked the question, and Lion is answering his question only. How is it possible? Can we answer something before the other person asking us the question? It's not possible, huh? So here, what we can do is, now here we will use this broadcast block, which what broadcast will do, it will send the internal message to other sprite. Okay, that message will not be visible to us. We will be able to see these messages only. That broadcast message will not be visible to us. So what this broadcast message will do, it will give it will send like a, you can say, a secret message to the other sprite. Okay, now till now, whenever you will receive this broadcast message, only then you have to speak your dialogue. Till then you have to be quiet. So let's see how can we use it. So we'll come back to the Fox sprite, and from the events palette, we will choose this broadcast message one block. Broadcast message one. Now come back to the line. Now from the events palette only, there is one more block. When I receive message one. When I receive message one. So now I will remove this say I am looking for water block from here, and I will place it over here. I am looking for water for 2 seconds. Let's check the code now, how it works. Okay, it's asking a question. Now see, they are answering. Now they are like, it's look like someone is communicating with each other. They are conversating with each other. So it looks better than earlier now. Now, after saying I am looking for water, Lion will say, do you know any place where I can find water to drink? Let's add this block also from the looks. Add say hello for 2 seconds. Do you know any place where I can find some water? Okay, now here Lion has asked the question to Fox. Now Fox has to answer this question. But again, we will use broadcast, but we will not use message one now, because message one was already used. Message one broadcast has been already used. Now we will use a new message. Click on this and click on new message and type here message 2 and click on OK. Now come back to the Fox. Now when Fox will receive this message 2, when the Fox will receive this message 2, then it will say, then it will just tell us, it will reply to the Lion's question. So Fox will say, everyone is looking for water. Okay, wait a second. Everyone is looking for water for 2 seconds. And then again, it will continue. Fox will keep on saying, but there is no water. Okay, there is no water to drink. There is no water to drink. And in the last, it will say, all animals are moving to different forests. Now let's run our project. Hello, King Lion. I'm looking for water. Do you know any place where I can find some water? Everyone is looking for water, but there is no water to drink. All animals are moving to different forests. And with this, we'll conclude our animation, this story. This is a very small story which we have created with the help of broadcast flow. I hope you guys understood the use of broadcast block and you guys will create your own stories and animations using the broadcast blocks. So I will be waiting for your projects using the broadcast blocks. So you can send your projects to us on our email ID, which is mentioned in the description. And we will be back with another video with a new concept. See you guys soon. Bye-bye.